Welcome to another video from Improve Ecommerce. Today's video I'll share how to proof for Google Merchant Center reactivated. Okay, so you can see this message for this one Google Merchant Center for this this story or product have a limited visibility. Okay, so you can see this my Merchant Center ID for 5588544476. Okay, for just one day ago and suspended for this one of misrepresentation. So you can see this misrepresentation. So it's May 12th for 2025 for 10:50 a.m. Just one day ago, my account is suspended. Okay. So I am work my website, everything, and going to this review request from today's message for 3 hours ago. Only for 3 hours ago, you can see this 5588544476. Okay, you can see this misrepresentation of this completed. Then for this Google Merchant Center account, the review request of misrepresentation has been completed and an issue no longer appears for Merchant Center. Okay, so you can see this one of reactivated. So I can see this Google Merchant Center account. You can see this your account for this one 55588554476. Okay, you can see this one. My account is approved for all product are approved for this one. Okay. So you can see everything is here, not a single of no editing, all or everything. You can see everything is okay. Just one day echo your misrepresentation issue. I can solve just one day, and I can here to for it. Need anything help for this? Need anything service for Google Merchant Center misrepresentation issue? Just contact me. WhatsApp number my description. Okay. Just contact me. I can help you. I can help you everything. I can resolve your Merchant Center problem, resolve your any other shopping ads and Google e-commerce marketing from solution. Just contact me. Thank you, everyone.